Hi guys, I'm in the middle of peeling the skin off all these peanuts because my mom wanted some help with the poha she's making. I love eating peanuts, but I don't like the process of separating the nut from its skin. So I found a super smart way to fix this. Take a handful of peanuts in your palm. Then rub both your palms together. The crunchy sound you hear is the skin separating from the nut. Then open your palm and blow some air. Voila! The light skin fly away, leaving only the tasty nuts in your hand. In our day-to-day life, we are constantly separating things. We use a sieve to separate the tea powder from the prepared tea. We use our hands to separate clothes and organize them in the cupboard, or to pick out green chilies from the delicious poha. Today we're going to learn about the different separation methods. Are you ready? The first one is handpicking. With our hands, we can pick out unwanted materials from a mixture and keep only the materials that we need. This method is useful when the quantity to be separated is very small. The materials are only solid and they look different from each other. The next method is sieving. A sieve is a tool which separates material based on the size of the particles. Small sized particles pass through the holes of the sieve and the larger particles remain behind. Thus, the two substances are separated. The next one is threshing. When a crop is harvested, it needs to be separated from the chaff or the outer covering of the grain. This is done by a process called threshing. The grains are separated from the chaff by hitting the bundles of crop on the ground. Once this is done, the crops still have husk and other dried plant parts mixed in them. These are separated by a process called winnowing. Here the mixture is dropped from a height, so the wind carries away the lighter impurities and the heavier grains fall on the ground. Besides these, we can also use magnets to separate magnetic material from non-magnetic materials. Magnets are used in scrap yards to separate iron scrap from other scrap materials. The last separation method is sublimation. It is used to separate materials that form vapor or gas when heated. In this process, the solid changes directly to gas and the liquid stage is skipped. This method can only be used if one component sublimes when heated. That's all about separation. Now I better use a broom to clean all the peanut skin before my mom arrives. See you next time.